Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best doctor play sets that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the MCFA-NCE Doctor Play Set. The MC Fance Toy Doctor Kit's 48 PCs Pretend Play Doctor Kit is one of the top doctor play sets money can buy. It comes with a whopping 48 pieces in total, including a stethoscope, a variety of tools and implements, informative cards and stickers, and much more. Crafted from durable, high-quality plastic, the items in this kit can last a lifetime and are safe to use for ages 3 and above. Plus, you get a big travel case included, perfect for taking your little doctor's tools anywhere they go. Moving on at number 4, we have the Melissa and Doug Doctor Play Set. What we love about the Melissa and Doug Wooden Get Well Doctor Activity Center is its design. This activity center is like a toddler-size version of a real-world doctor's waiting room and check-in area, with tons of little details like posters on the walls and even a sink and faucet. It comes with lots of nifty features like a credit card reader, a double-sided sign, and a patient information file. Kids will have tons of fun with this set, and it can be super for helping them overcome their fears of visiting the doctor, too. At number 3, we have the Liberry Doctor Play Set. Some doctor play sets can fall apart after a few weeks of use, but the Liberry Durable Doctor Kit for kids is not one of them. This kit is strong and sturdy, with pieces that are sure to last for weeks, months, and years of happy play. It comes with 23 pieces in total, all safe for kids aged 3+, as well as a travel box for easy transportation. Some of the highlights include a realistic stethoscope with sounds and a blood pressure cuff with a moving gauge. At number 2, we have the Gifts 2U Doctor Play Set. Available in pink, blue, or purple, the Gifts 2U Toy Doctor Kit features 37 high-quality pieces for kids to play around with. There's a lot of variety in this kit, including the usual items like a stethoscope, as well as dentist-related items like a toothbrush, toothpaste tube, and set of chattering teeth. Every item is nicely designed with fun little details, and the whole set offers terrific value for money compared to many other options on the market today. And finally at number 1, we have the Fisher-Price Doctor Play Set. Fisher-Price is one of the most trusted brands in the world of kids' toys, and the Fisher-Price Medical Kit meets the high standards you expect of this company. All of the pieces are really nicely made, from the canvas doctor's bag to the soft and safe blood pressure cuff. There's also a thermometer, syringe, bandage, and stethoscope included in the kit. It's a good set for those aged 3+, and all the items fit neatly in the bag when not in use. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.